Hey guys, so here's an automatic microwave I made. So usually you have to press in the numbers and press start. But with this microwave, all you do is press one button here. Oh, and I also added my voice to the speaker. But on the left here, we have the temp and the humidity. And we have a glass of water in there, and it should cook it or heat it up to the perfect temperature. Just a sec. And then once it gets there, it should automatically stop the microwave. It's pretty close. Yeah, guys. So that's my automatic microwave. Let me know what else you want me to do with it. I can technically put any recording on here to play. I can play a recording before it starts, while it's cooking, and after it's done. So thank you. Bye.